In today's video, I want to guide you on how to delete folder, picture, video from your flash drive. This is very simple. First, make sure that you properly insert your flash drive to your PC. So let me open my PC. You have it here. Now let me insert my flash drive using the flash drive port on my device. So wait a few seconds for the flash drive to pop up like this. Now it has popped up. Then double click and open it. Now that I've opened it, you have access to whatever thing you want to delete from this place. So I want to delete this one. Click on it, then click on this delete button, then click on this yes. That will help you remove that from your flash drive. Then you can as well right click on it like this. Then you have access to this delete button. Click on it and delete it from your device. Now click on yes. As well, you can just click on it like this, then click on delete button on your keyboard, then click on yes. That will delete it, guys. So these are different ways you can use to delete any folder or file from your flash drive using your PC without corrupting your flash drive. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.